Hello everyone, and welcome to our COSO K-Link app video walkthrough. This app is a great feature for our HD-03X TFT gauge set that allows you to monitor your bike's data and control your gauges setup directly from your smartphone. It is compatible with iOS and Android and can be installed from the Apple App Store and Play Store. So let's get into it. After downloading the K-Link app on your phone, you will need to create an account, which you will be able to modify the information whenever you want by clicking the little person icon on the top left corner of the home menu. Now, you can connect your gauge set by clicking the Connect Your Device button in the home page and select the correct device. When your gauges are connected to the app, you can see in the home page your bike's fuel level percentage, mileage, tire pressure, park location, and weather forecast. To change your gauge's color, display mode, or brightness, go to the display page. This setting allows you to change between the digital and analog display, as well as the night mode and day mode. Set it to auto mode if you want your gauges to adjust the display, depending on the ambient light. You can also choose between 8 backlight colors for both the digital and analog displays, and adjust the brightness of your gauges with its 5 brightness levels. In the preset menu, you can select your units and customize your alert configuration. In the alert configuration section, you can click on the pencil to enter a value that will trigger an alert when reached. For example, you can enter the number of miles your bike needs to travel before the maintenance mileage alert notifies you. To see your bike's performance results, go to the performance page. You can set different power test values by clicking the pencil or slide buttons. See your test results at the bottom of the page. Finally, you can check your gauge's error codes in the diagnostics page. Press the read button to see if any error codes show up. Click the clear fault code to clear them. You can see your diagnostics for the radio, ABS, speed, BCM, and ECM. That was it for today's video. If you have any questions regarding the K-Link app, feel free to leave a comment and we'll be more than happy to answer them. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future informative videos on our products. Thanks again and see you next time.